Starting the cleanup.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Peter James. Welcome back to another video. Today we will gonna take a look at Roborock Robot Vacuum S50 by Xiaomi. Let the robot clean your floor without a sweat. How about that? Let's open the box. Inside the box, you will find the docking station plate, a filter with an extra, power adapter, the docking station base, water reservoir for mopping functionality, 2 mopping pads, at ang robot vacuum cleaner. May binigay din silang libreng adapter sa package. The robot vacuum cleaner got a built-in Wi-Fi. It can be controlled and accessed via Mi Home app. Pwede nating i-download to sa Play Store or Apple Store. You can also use it as a standalone. May mga buttons to sa taas to power on, start, pause, and the cleaning. Go back to the docking station for charging and spot cleaning. Grabe, ang dami niyang sensors. There's a LiDAR sensor at the top that scans the surroundings. It can map the floor of your house. On the front, there's this rubber bumper that detects collision. There's 4 anti-drop sensors para hindi mahulog sa stairs. Merong edge sensor, virtual wall sensors, and a sensor that automatically locates the charging dock pag tapos na siyang maglinis or battery low na siya. Inside the robot vacuum is a 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery. You should be able to clean for about 2.5 hours or about 250 square meters. It uses 55 watts of maximum suction power of 2000 PA. On the base, there's 2 charging contact plates. You will hear it saying,
Charging.
when it is correctly docked in the base. From the app, makikita mo kung nasaan yung robot. It builds the map as it runs. After the first run, kapag natapos na niyang gawin yung map, you can set no-go places or lines para yung robot automatically avoid niya yung place na yon. This is quite useful for me to avoid dangerous places like the bathroom. You can also control the robot using the app. One useful feature is the cleanup schedule. You can set a timer to schedule a cleaning. Kapag nag-umpisa na siya maglinis, you will hear it saying,
Starting the cleanup.
When done,
Finish cleaning. Going back to the dump. Charging.
Once finished cleaning, you can open the lid and take the dustbin out.
Dustbin removed.
And itapon na lang sa basurahan. The dustbin requires cleaning at least once a week. To clean, just take out the dustbin, lagyan lang ng tubig, and shake it. Pero wag mo lalagyan ng detergent. Before using it again, make sure tuyo ang filter.
Dustbin installed.
You can also check for new firmware updates para sa mga bagong features. Actually, may bagong update na nag-introduce ng bagong features. The newest update introduced improved map system na automatic niya nadedetect yung mga rooms. Ang galing! So to conclude, I think this is a really awesome device. I'm impressed sa mga functions niya. We use it every day actually. Mas madalang na kami magwalis thanks to this awesome robot vacuum. So what do you guys think? If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.